Hello, good morning. So today, we're going to unbox the DJI Osmo Action 6. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So this is the box of the DJI Osmo Action 6. This is the standard version, and then they have the adventure combo or adventure or creator combo nila. So actually, nabuksan ko na siya, pero sige, gawin natin ulit. So DJI Osmo Action 6 is one of the most sought after cameras in the market in the field of action camera. Why? Because of its 1.1-inch sensor. It's a square sensor, so bago siya sa technology ng action camera systems, gawa ng you can shoot 2 frames at the same time. So you can do portrait and landscape. Right out of the box, you have your manual, you have your stickers. So this one, your sticker ng DJI. Apparently, mas madaming sticker ang Action 5 Pro na parang mas madami siyang inclusion sa sticker. They also have this dust absorber. If in case na tatanggalin mo yung lens ng Action 6, rather, tanggalin mo yung lens niya at nagkaroon siya ng maliit na speckle ng dust. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin. And then you have your app QR code, quick startup guide, and your manual. So let's go to the accessories. The accessories naman is very basic. The USB-C na cord, your parang screw, yung screw for the mounts, this one, which is very typical of na inclusions ng DJI. You have your magnetic mount also paired with the adhesive na mount for helmets or other curved surface na area. Parang siyang Starlink. So ito yung magnetic mount ng Osmo. Yan. Na yung ganito ko sa Osmo Action 5 Pro na nakalagay na sa helmet ko, sa aking rescue helmet. Yun. So, yun yung accessories. Aside from that, meron pa siyang plastic na for this mount para kapag pag lumuwag na siya, pwede mo siyang dagdagan. Para siyang washer or spacer. And then, that's it for the accessories. And then the battery. So, your battery is 1,950 milliamperes na DJI na battery. So, right out of the box, you have the camera already. Tinanggal ko na yung lens, yung cover ng lens. Excited kasi ako, sorry. Naunahan ko na kayo. So, yun. Right out of the box, it's a bit simpler and minimalistic as compared doon sa previous predecessors niya. The Action 5 Pro, the 4, and I think the 2 I think the 2 or the 3. Pero kasi mas naging tactical na tingnan or rugged tingnan yung Action 4 at Action 5 Pro. So yun. And typical DJI, rubberized texture, rough, not that gritty, pero it's easy to handle kasi hindi man siya maganit, pero somehow maganda siyang hawakan. Hindi siya madulas. So you have your typical na compartment for charging. So USB-C. And then this one is your base plate, or what I call base plate, wherein you put the mount ng iyong Action 6. So, I think starting 4, 5, and now, na DJI Osmo, naglagay na sila ng ganito. So, integrated na. So, automatic, pwede ka nang mag-create ng content at pwede mo na siyang i-hook sa iyong motor o sa bike o sa kotse o kung saan man. And, talagang sturdy siya. Hindi siya basta-basta natatanggal. Kaya, mas gusto ko siyang gamitin din kasi every time nagta-transfer ako ng rig sa chest, sa helmet, or sa motorcycle, or sa bike, mas madali na lang siyang ilagay. So, madali siyang ikabit. And then, I think, kaya, bakit, yung Action 5 kasi parang pwede mo pa siyang kabitan sa gilid. No? Not sure or not certain, kasi naka-rabbit cage ako sa Action 5 ko before. So, nilalagay ko sa gilid. Now, this time, parang, I think, kaya nilagay ni DJI na nasa baba na lang yung, yung magnetic mount or the base plate kasi since it has that capacity to shoot on two different frames at the same time, kaya parang mas prefer na naka-landscape na lang palagi. Okay, so let's proceed with the battery compartment. The typical battery compartment ni DJI, lalagay mo lang, sasalpak mo lang yung battery niya. And then, on the other side, ando na yung memory card. Lalagyan ng memory card. Pero don't worry. Kasi kahit wala siyang memory card, it can still film. Kasi meron siyang internal storage. And, by the looks of it, the Osmo Action 6 has again, may quick startup guide siya every time you turn it on. And then, it has a 44% battery included. So, yung battery niya ay hindi fully drained. So, technically, right out of the box, pwede ka nang mag-film agad, pwede ka nang mag-vlog, or kung ano man trip mo sa buhay. So, yun. Aside from that, one thing na napansin ko na maganda ay meron na siyang zoom. So, on the right lower portion, meron siyang zoom. So, pag dinoble tap mo siya, magzo-zoom in siya. Pag dinoble tap mo siya ulit, magzo-zoom out siya. Yun. Very typical DJI na action camera, pero way better than the previous DJIs na meron. I think kung pagandahan lang ng model, syempre pinakalita siya, so may maganda na siyang mga features. Yun nga, yung kanyang sensor, aperture, yung cinematic na kaya niyang gawin within the post-processing up to even right out of the camera itself na right out of the camera na output. So, very cinematic na. Isang napansin kong feature na siguro kakaiba din ay yung voice niya every time nagki-quick switch. Kasi hindi ko naririnig yung ganito sa ibang action camera ng DJI. Wherein on a usual basis, talagang yung sound lang ng parang isang simple sound lang yung naririnig ko pag nagki-quick switch. This time, nag-integrate sila ng voice. So, pakinggan nyo.
Photo. Video. Photo. Video.
So, I hope narinig ninyo, no? So, every time magki-quick switch ka, magpo-prompt siya ng photo or video. So, may boses na magsasalita. Photo, video. So, ganun. I just saw reviews sa TikTok, sa Instagram, and sa YouTube about DJI Osmo Action 6. Pero, yun, I'm about to, explore kung ano pang capabilities and features nito. One key difference na nakita ko sa Osmo Action 6 na hindi ko nakita sa 4, 5, or even the previous na models na Osmo Action is the size of the lens. So, mas malaki ito as compared doon sa iba. Next is, hindi na siya rubberized. plastic na siya. Yung sa Osmo Action 5, meron kasi siyang nakabalot na rubber before mo mahahawakan yung pinaka main na lens no ng Action 5 Pro. Yung akin na Action 5 Pro may punit na siya ng konti kasi kailangan ko tanggalin yung rubber at yung lens every time pinapasok ko sa rabbit cage. So ito hopefully hindi naman siya madaling masira. No? And by the looks of it and by the feel, mukha naman siyang ABS plastic. So medyo matibay-tibay na ABS plastic or any hard rubber. I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung anong material na nilagay ni DJI. Pero overall, the build maganda siya kasi minimalist na. At least less yung part na papasukan ng dumi if nilalagay mo lang siya sa bag tulad ko or kapag hinaharabas mo siya sa mga malikabok na lugar or kapag nagsiswimming ka or nagsiscuba dive. So yun. So that's it for our DJI Osmo Action 6. So thank you and bye-bye.